Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll walk you through the quick and easy process of removing multiple folders on Telegram web using your PC. With the latest update, Telegram has streamlined its interface, making folder management more intuitive than ever. Let's dive right in. Start by opening Telegram web in your preferred browser. Once logged in, locate the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen. It's the 3 horizontal lines stacked vertically. Click on it to reveal a drop-down of options. From here, select Settings, which will open a new panel on the left side of the window. Scroll down slightly until you see the Chat Folders option. This is where all your custom folders are stored. Now, you'll see a list of folders you've created. Next to each folder name, there's a small menu icon, a 3-dot symbol. Click on this icon for the folder you want to delete. A drop-down will appear with several options. Select Delete from the list. Telegram will ask for confirmation to ensure you don't accidentally remove a folder. Click Confirm to proceed. Repeat these steps for every folder you wish to remove. Want to delete multiple folders? No problem. Simply go through the same process. Click the menu icon next to each folder, hit Delete, and confirm. Telegram web allows you to remove as many folders as you need in one sitting. It's important to note that deleting a folder doesn't erase your chats or contacts. They'll simply return to your main chat list or any other folders they're part of. This feature is perfect for decluttering your workspace or reorganizing chats after a project or event wraps up. And there you have it. In under a minute, you can clean up your Telegram web interface by removing outdated or unnecessary folders. This update makes managing your chats smoother, whether you're streamlining for productivity or just prefer a minimalist setup. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering Telegram and other platforms. Got questions or want to share your experience? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy organizing.